Sega Dreamcast. In this video, I'm going to show you, this is the Sega Dreamcast. Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, we're going to show you how to inside of the Sega Dreamcast. This is a little regular fan noise. On the Sega Dreamcast, press the button. You can see a little orange flashes, and the orange lights up, and it turns on. And then the fan's green.
Alright. Now the top just comes right off once you get those screws off.
And on it, there's a little DVD with it spins around, just like the DVD I put in this thing. Just like a little young thing, so this is funny. On this thing, there's a little fan, that fan keeping cool in the air, so this will get heated. See how it works to do this.